In this Champion instructional video, we'll demonstrate how to make an adhesive connection. First, put on your safety gear. The tools required for making an adhesive connection are a metal spatula, adhesive gun, Champion mix adhesive cartridge, mixing tip, and 60 grit emery cloth. Get your adhesive ready by touching the cartridge to the mixer tip. Eject an adhesive until it is evenly gray. If using cans, pour one into the other. For smaller quantities, mix at a 1:1 ratio until evenly gray. Now, measure and mark your reference points. Add a minimum of 3 inches to each end of the conduit for installing coupling or termination fittings. Next, sand the field cut conduit with the emery cloth until the factory sheen is removed. Remember, factory ends come pre-sanded. Only field cut conduit sections require sanding. Do not forget to sand the inside of the coupling. Apply the 2-part epoxy adhesive to the spigot end of the conduit with a metal spatula. Do not apply adhesive too close to the edge of the conduit. Insert the conduit section into the coupling or fitting, and allow the adhesive to set up before pulling cables. Be aware, adhesive curing times will vary depending on the adhesive type chosen. If you'd like to make the interference joint adhesive connection, begin by applying the adhesive. Do not apply adhesive too close to the edge of the conduit. Then, insert the interference joint conduit end into the belled interference joint end. Place a wooden block over the conduit straight end. Using a mallet, drive the straight conduit interference end into the conduit belled interference end. Thanks for installing Champion Fiberglass Conduit. If you have any questions, we're happy to help at 281-655-8900. And be sure to check the rest of our videos for more fiberglass preparations.